Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are good. Students, have you watched previous video? Let's recap the main points. We studied about special apparatus designed to measure the amount of rain, direction of wind, minimum and maximum temperature and air pressure. They are rain gauge, wind vane, thermometer and barometer. Rain gauge measure the amount of rainfall. This is a metal or plastic container at the top of which is funnel. Wind vane, this simplest measuring instrument indicate the direction of wind. This should be at the highest point of building. A metal arrow with a tail is placed on a pole or roof so that it will turn around. Third measuring instrument is thermometer. An ordinary thermometer is used in measure the body temperature. The maximum and minimum thermometer is used to record daily temperature. It has a U-shaped tube and mercury moves up and down both arms. After review, now I will discuss next measuring instrument that is barometer. As you can see the picture of barometer, the barometer is the vital instrument in measuring the air pressure or the weight of the air and is probably the most important instrument for forecasting the weather. There are two kinds of barometer. First is the aneroid barometer and second is the mercury barometer. First type is the aneroid barometer. Here is the picture of aneroid barometer. This looks a bit like a clock, as you can see in the picture, and it can be carried out easily. It shows the weight of the air on a dial. As you can see in this picture, it is a device for measuring air pressure. Often specially calibrated, which means reading on numbers on dial for use. Inside a case, a collapsible, which means airtight box of thin metal with most of the air pumped out. स्टूडेंट्स, केस के अंदर एयर टाइट बॉक्स होता है, जैसे कि आपने पिक्चर में गोल सा पहिए नुमा एक केस देखा. इसको हम एयर टाइट बॉक्स कहते हैं. इसके अंदर एक एयर टाइट बॉक्स होता है जो कि मेटल का बना हुआ होता है. इसमें से हवा बाहर निकलती है और जो ही बॉक्स में एयर प्रेशर चेंज होता है, ये बॉक्स की साइड्स को अंदर और बाहर से पुश करता है और बॉक्स पे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रिंग डायलर के साथ अटैच होती है, जैसा कि आपने पिक्चर में देखा है. जो ही बॉक्स मूव करता है, इसकी वजह से डायलर वर्क करना शुरू कर देता है और हवा के दबाव को रिकॉर्ड कर लिया जाता है. अंडरस्टूड? सेकेंड टाइप इज mercury barometer and you can see the picture of mercury barometer on your screen. This is a kind of a glass tube about a meter long which is closed at one end and it is filled with mercury, and the opened end is placed in bowl. As here is a picture, you can see the open end and a bowl in the picture. This works as a kind of scale. The weight of air pushes the mercury up and down so that we can see how heavy the column of air above, and it is the average height of column, that is about 760 millimeter. The mercury barometer is mercury barometer is fragile, which means delicate, and that's why it cannot be moved easily. Students, you got all the points? Okay, here is a question. How do we know at what speed the wind is blowing? How do we know about the amount of rainfall? Yes, the meteorological department measures and records all weather features. How can we tell what the weather will be like the next day or next week? And why is it important to know these facts? The meteorological department studies the conditions to forecast the weather, and this is useful for travelers, farmers, pilots, and for other departments. Students, here is some extra information for you about mercury barometer. It was invented in 1643. The word aneroid means non-liquid. The aneroid barometer uses air pressure instead of mercury, and petrol stations use a type of aneroid barometer to measure the air pressure in a vehicle tire. Now come to the homework. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks with appropriate words. A dash measures the amount of rain that has fallen. B, a dash is used to know the direction of the wind. C, a dash is used to measure the air pressure by weight of the air. D, a dash is used to measure the minimum and maximum temperature of a place. Question number 2 is why is it important to know wind direction and speed? It is important particularly for pilots, ship captains, fishermen, and airport control tower staff to know about wind direction and speed as it affects their movement and work. Question number 3 is draw the diagram of a rain gauge in your notebooks and label it. Students, you can take help from your textbook, page number 15, and also from this video as I explained picture in detail of rain gauge. Understand, students? Question number 4 is why do we need to measure weather and keep a record? Measuring weather and keeping records can help in many ways. Weather warnings can help to protect life and property. Day-to-day plans can be changed in the light of the forecast, and farmers can also take benefit from this and plant their crops. think now you get all the points. Thanks. Stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.